Comparing different ISO certifications for project and energy management.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
If you are a business owner or an employee in an organization, you might have realized how important efficiency and sustainability are for the growth of organization. Irrespective of the size and the industry, it is of even more importance to maintain compliance with international standards. These help enhance the organization's reputation and recognition. ISO certifications are universally respected. They offer organizations an edge in credibility with the standards and help develop customer trust. But how do you determine which standard is best suited for the kind of project or the organization you are working for? That is exactly why we bring you this article. Today we will be comparing some of the best ISO management certifications for project and energy management. 1. ISO 21502 Guidance on Project Management. Effective and successful project management is the key to an organization's growth and recognition. The ISO 21502 certification is a key standard offering guidance covering best practices for project planning, execution, and monitoring. This standard is a structured framework that helps organizations achieve their goals and objectives by delivering the basics of ISO 21502 foundation. By adopting the ISO 21502 standard, organizations learn to improve resource allocation and work to deliver projects on time and within budget. Project managers and team leaders at any organization can leverage the best benefits with this certification to enhance their skills in project management outcomes and by following structured and efficient methodologies that works for all industries. 2. ISO 50001 Energy Management Systems, NMS. Just like the trends changing in the market, customers as well change what they value in your product or service. And what the current trends indicate is that people are to be more invested in businesses that have a lesser environmental footprint. The ISO 50001 certification is an international standard that focuses on creating systems of operations that improve an organization's energy consumption and efficiency. The best practices of the ISO 50001 certification aids in optimizing additional energy usage and helps minimize waste. With ISO 50001, businesses can cut down excess energy costs to help meet sustainability goals. This helps businesses comply with evolving energy regulations. Targeting sectors like manufacturing and transportation, ISO 50001's energy management systems help achieve cost savings. 3. ISO 20400 Sustainable Procurement. The ISO 20400 certification is another ISO management certification offering guidelines for integrating sustainable practices into procurement. This ISO standard helps organizations to learn and practice ethical sourcing within environmental and social factors. Since procurement management supports project and energy management, the ISO 20400 certification works on promoting sustainable supply chains. An ISO 20400 lead manager works to guarantee every part of the procurement to align with the highest sustainability practice possible. For the business to grow and sustain, reducing the environmental impact of projects should be the goal. ISO 20400 offers a pathway to incorporate such sustainability into procurement decisions for the long-term benefits. 4. ISO 14001 Environmental Management Systems, EMS. The ISO 14001 certification is designed to help organizations develop and implement comprehensive and effective environmental management systems, EMS. The main focus is to minimize environmental impact, improving resource efficiency. This guarantees the compliance to all the global regulations. ISO 14001 and ISO 50001 are often known to be working hand in hand since both standards promote sustainability and resource optimization.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.